You've got to go into this right from the beginning with a belief that you can do this. Do you really want to learn some strategies? A strategy is made up of several rules, and you need to know the rules and you need to follow the rules.
The workshop is about how to put the theory into practice. So from how to use a stop loss, how to use a limit order, but also how to read charts. That is very important.
All the lowest points getting higher, well, the lowest points are getting higher actually. That means the trend is upward moving.
To have the chance to be taught by the best in this field, and all the webinars that they offer and the coach that they offer, I think that is the best place to learn.
I've learnt how to do 2 different strategies which I've been looking at over the past few weeks.
The value cost average strategy. So if it's coming down, what do we want to do? Buy more, a lot more. Why? Because we're getting it really cheap and we want to take advantage of it being cheap. What if it goes straight back up again? Let's buy now.
We've had great coaching and then the actual applying the theory into practice in a workshop setting with the support of the team around.
Anything you're not sure about, there's always somebody there to attend to you. Even though it's so many of us, somebody always find time to explain in details so you feel confident.
You put the stop order 1% above, and then the next day, if it goes up and hit it, perfect. But after it closes, then you will see if it took you in or not.
It's actually being able to invest in the stock market and actually making good returns, but also in reducing the risks.
The proven strategies during those 3 days, I realized that they work if you follow the rules, if you follow the recipe.
We have given you a recipe. So how many of you are going to follow the recipe for 3 months no matter what happens? If you were to follow this recipe, that will give you consistent results. How many of you want consistent results?
Not only learn about the strategies, but actually how to physically place the trades is just what, as a beginner, you need.